My wife bakes lots of cookies, so she's got lots of cookie cutters. And I got the brilliant idea that I could use one as a template for making a wood card. So this is the one I chose. It's like a little Volkswagen Beetle. I used to own one of these a while back, and this is what it's going to look like when we're all done. Now, all you need to make this little guy is a flat piece of wood. That's a given. A scroll saw. That's going to be kind of the main implement that we're going to use. Of course, your template. We're using cookie cutter here. And some sandpaper. Now, I will probably use a belt sander to quicken the process, but just some regular sandpaper will work as well. The next thing you're going to do is trace out different characteristics of whatever object it is you're making. I'm making a little car, so I'm going to do the wheels, the bumpers, the windshield, the door, things like that that would make it recognizable as that thing. Fire up your scroll saw and make your first cut with the outside outline that we did with the cookie cutter. Then go back and get all the inside lines that you drew in, and just take your time trying to match those lines as best you can. Okay, so this next step is what's really going to make the piece, and that is the sanding. But not just sanding off to make it look smooth and nice, we are going to round off every edge on the top. And what that's going to do is give it that kind of two-dimensional bubble look that just makes it look, number one, cute, but number two, gives it more depth, gives it more character. You can also use a rotary tool with a sanding drum attachment in place of a belt sander, or just to get into some of those tighter curves that the belt sander can't reach. Now that we're done sanding, you could just leave this as is, put a nice clear coat on it, and be done. Although I have these really nice metallic paints that I'm going to slap on there first. And then the last step, very last step, is to simply glue it back together. But let me do this first. Okay, last step is to take some wood glue and just add it to all of the connection points where each of those pieces connect together, and let it dry. And there you have what I'm going to call a 3D silhouette carving. That's kind of the best description I could come up with. But it's really cool. And you can do this with other things. Of course, the immediate thing that comes to mind is something like a puzzle. I mean, that would be pretty cool. Or even like an ornament. You could think of like a little Christmas tree. That would look great. And then I came up with this like I did a little concept piece where you could do a piece of art with different shapes. And then I burnt it. And I don't know, this could be the beginning of something, so I'm gonna play with this and see where this goes. But thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy this. And something I'm gonna do a little bit different in this video, if you could tell me where you're from in the comments. I'm from Virginia, USA. I live in the Shenandoah Valley, but I'd like to get to know you all a little bit better, so leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching.